If you're looking to securely store employee data online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most efficient way to store employee data securely online so you can protect sensitive information without the headache. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to keep everything safe and compliant with regulations, and I'll even provide an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of this channel, so stay tuned till the end. First, let's talk about why storing employee data securely is so important. Employee data includes personal information like social security numbers, bank details, and medical records. If this information falls into the wrong hands, it can lead to data breaches, legal issues, and loss of trust. So, securing this data should be a top priority for your business. Now, you've probably heard of several tools to manage employee data online, but many of them aren't as secure as they claim. The first thing you need to look for is encryption. End-to-end encryption ensures that no one can access employee data except for the people you authorize. This should be a baseline feature in any software you choose. Secondly, you want a solution that allows you to control who has access to employee data. This is where user roles and permissions come in. Make sure the software lets you assign specific roles to employees and limit their access to sensitive information. You don't want someone who doesn't need access to, say, payroll info to have it. Next, ensure the software complies with data protection regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, especially if you're handling sensitive personal data. Compliance is crucial because failing to follow regulations can lead to hefty fines and lawsuits. This means checking if the software has built-in compliance features that make it easier for you to stay on the right side of the law. Another important aspect is data backup. You don't want to lose any of that critical employee data due to accidental deletion or a system failure. Look for software that automatically backs up data regularly to secure cloud storage or an offsite location. The software we're using in this video has these features and more, making it one of the best tools for securely storing employee data online. I've tried many of the most popular options, but this one stood out in terms of ease of use, security, and reliability. If you want to follow along and get a hands-on experience with it, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel. So let's summarize. The key things to focus on when securely storing employee data online are encryption to protect data, user roles and permissions to control access, compliance with data protection regulations, and automatic data backup for disaster recovery. Make sure whichever software you choose has these features, and you'll be on your way to secure data storage. And before I close, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a great way to experience how secure employee data storage can be with the right software. The key takeaway here is that securing employee data online isn't just about choosing the right software. It's about making sure that software has the security features you need to protect sensitive information and stay compliant. So make sure encryption, access controls, compliance, and backups are at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and remember to check the description for that free trial link.